Pew! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to One Level Per Episode Ironman season. I don't know, 4. Is it 4 now? I don't fucking care. Right. Uh, First things first. Oops, that one, not too big. Oh no. This could take some time. Ooh. We'll just leave it like that. That's good enough for me. So we're going to train some mining today. So let's go. I would like to get a smithing level this season. That is a goal of mine. But the reason this series is back is because last night I went into a stream by world famous YouTuber Jimmy. Whilst I was incredibly drunk, I'd had a lot of alcohol, and for some reason I said I was going to bring it back. That was a lie. I made that up. I had no plans to bring this back, ever. But I said it, and I'm committed to my promises. So here it is. He's also the man who asked for the intro to be the way it is. So you know that's on him, not me, to be honest. This is going to be monumental. It's our first level 6 on the account, which is always good. You know, 6 is a good number. It's just before 7, which is my favourite. You ever notice the character like sticks out their arse when they mine? Look at that. Right out. Let's get that on. It is on, it's because we haven't gained any XP. Come on. Hurry up. Yay! Level 6. I can now mine with a steel pickaxe, but I can't afford them. So I will see you all in the next episode. Bye bye.